Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the Reolink 4K security camera system, RLK16-800B8. This top-of-the-line system includes 8 H.265 PoE wired cameras with advanced person and vehicle detection, ensuring you receive only the most relevant alerts by distinguishing between people, vehicles, and other moving objects. With an impressive 8 megapixels, 4K resolution, these cameras provide nearly 4 times the clarity of standard 1080p, eliminating distortion and delivering crystal-clear views of your surroundings, even when zoomed in. The system's Plug and Play PoE setup makes installation a breeze, with a single network cable stretching up to 330 feet for smooth, comprehensive coverage, perfect for both beginners and DIY enthusiasts. You can access your cameras remotely via the free Reolink app, allowing live views and playback on your smart device, whether you're on Wi-Fi or a 3G, 4G connection. With a pre-installed 4TB HDD and expandable storage up to 12TB, this system offers reliable 24/7 continuous recording, ensuring you never miss a moment. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.